Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a full wash day. So here we're about to make my black rice water pre-poo, and this black rice water has been fermenting for about a month. Stinks, yeah, but it's not as bad as white rice when it ferments for a long time. And I'm going to do half parts black rice water and half parts aloe vera juice for some moisture. I'm starting on dry, dirty hair, and I put it in these 4 knots to separate it so it could be easier. And I'm going to start at the roots and massage that in and then work it down the rest of my hair. Here I'm just trying to show a little texture shot after I put the pre-poo throughout my whole head. Now I'm going to let this sit for about 30 minutes to an hour, and I'm using my hot head conditioning cap that I just threw in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. It's time to wash out the pre-poo, and please excuse the deodorant on my shirt. I turned it inside out for a second, but I'm just going to rinse all that pre-poo out. And the technique that I'm using, I actually got it from a YouTuber called 22nd Century Natural Woman, where she washes her hair in sections. And once I started doing this, I feel like I get less tangles, I don't shed as much, and it's just a easier process. Oh, and I'm using the TGIN shampoo, the moisture rich one, sulfate free. For the deep conditioner, I'm using the Kriya, I think it's Kriya, Botanicals Low Porosity Deep Conditioner, protein free. The black rice water mixture is technically protein, so I don't want to do a protein overload on my hair and cause breakage or any hardness. Then I'm taking the extra dark Jamaican black castor oil and going to put that on top of the conditioner. I went ahead and washed out the conditioner in the shower since I have to take a shower anyway. I usually don't because of acne, but I'm trying to show my naked hair at this point. No product, just hair. If y'all used to watch the natural hair OGs on YouTube and you knew of Kimmaytube, you know that she had like this Kinky curly leave-in mixture. I'm going to leave the ingredients in the description box below, but I'm just using that as a leave-in. And I'm also using the Tangle Teaser to detangle my hair and the Kriya Botanicals leave-in conditioner for low porosity. I had one of them days where I did not know what I wanted to do with my hair, so I ended up throwing in some 3-strand twists and then putting it in the bun and calling it a day. I don't really like wearing my hair out. I think that's best for me trying to retain length, and I'm trying to get the tailbone length right now, so protect them ends, stay moisturized. And as I've done before, I usually put my ends in cocoon curls to protect them. I don't like wearing my hair out. I don't like wearing my ends out. And that is it for my wash day. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. If you want to see any videos from me, just leave a comment down below. And I'll see you in the next one.